Ballinger, and I'm a New York City fashion stylist. I've worked or appeared on such shows as The Today Show, What Not to Wear, Ambush Makeover, The Makeover Story, and I also have a personal clientele that loves me and keeps coming back to me because I know how to make a real woman look fabulous on not $1 million. That's kind of my forte. Buy what you need, use what you have. I am going to teach you how to make a t-shirt look distressed. Don't you be distressed about it. We're just gonna make the t-shirt look distressed. It is not that difficult. You need one of two tools. One of the options is a pumice stone. A pumice stone is usually used, you probably see it at a pedicure station because it's used for the bottom of your feet to make them silky and smooth, but today we're gonna use it in a totally different way and we're gonna make your t-shirt look worn in. Very simply, you're literally gonna rub over your t-shirt in multiple areas and make sure they're pretty even throughout. You don't wanna have one section that's really distressed and one section that looks brand new, so make sure you go over the whole t-shirt with it. If you don't have a pumice stone, the other option is to stop by your local hardware store. Sandpaper, you have to get the fine grain. We don't necessarily want to put holes in the t-shirt. Remember, we're working with cotton here, but we do want to make sure it looks distressed all over, so this is a great option. And of course, the third and final option is to do what people have been doing for years, and that is to wash it over and over and over again. Make sure that you do use a lot of fabric softener because that's going to help the process along. So now you know very simply how to take a fabulous brand new t-shirt and make it old, worn in, and super distressed.